Good afternoon. My name is Anthony Butler, and I'm going to speak to you briefly regarding Medicare supplement plans. There are two more prominent versions of this plan, which are going to be the Plan G and the Plan F, and we'll talk briefly about each. Let's start with the Plan G. A Plan G supplement plan is a standardized Medicare plan. In other words, it does not matter who the carrier is, the Plan G will work the same. If it's a Plan G from Company A or Company B, even though the price might be different, they still work the same. So always consider that when you're making a selection. The Plan G, once you make your monthly payment, has one deductible of $185 for your Part B coverage. You will also have to continue, of course, to pay your Part B premium, which normally will come out of your Social Security check. This plan will allow you to get medical services at any doctor or facility that accepts Medicare and is accepting new patients anywhere in the continental United States. The plan is not restricted by geographical boundaries or groups or anything like that. You don't need permission or referral to see a specialist if you see fit. Okay? Next, the Plan F. The Plan F also is a standardized Medicare supplement plan that works anywhere in the continental United States. The Plan F, you simply make your monthly premium of the plan to your carrier. And again, the Plan F, just like the Plan G, it does not matter who the company is, they work all the same. So Plan F from Company C and Plan F from Company D all work the same. The rate makes no difference. The Plan F, once you make your monthly premium, will cover all of your Medicare expenses, which means there are no deductibles, there are no restrictions, and there are no organizations that you have to stay in. So there's no network that you have to use. This plan is accepted all over the continental United States. The Plan F, however, you need to be aware, in 2020 will be going away. Those who are currently on the plan will be grandfathered in, but no new Plan Fs will be sold. So when making a selection, make sure that you ask your agent to explain the difference between the two and which one will work inside the game plan that you have for yourself. As always, if you have any questions, please contact us here at Empower Brokerage. My name is Anthony Butler. Let us know how we can help.